Hey guys, I'll be sharing with you how to do a POM ball change. Okay, so in this blizzard that we have here, the POM ball as seen here, okay, I know it's a little bit bright on this, okay, it's already, the surface is slightly deformed, so we'll be swapping to a new one. So if you see here, this thing is not as shiny as this, right? So we'll be swapping to a new one. Okay, before anything, always remember to plug out your LiPo and set to safe. Alright, so now we'll proceed to dropping that in and realigning the priming block. Okay, just like that. Alright, and the trick here is that you have to actually just align two screws only. Okay, because what's going to happen is that the spring load in your blizzard may shift the priming block. So if this priming block was screwed at all 8 holes, it'll be so rigid it will meet some interference. So this is why we need to do this. So at the alternate ends, okay, once you tighten, just simply loosen it a little bit. Okay, then you can see some play there. Alright, this would actually help the piston align the priming block. Alright, so next up we are going to plug in a LiPo. Okay, with that done, okay, we are going to set to single shot. Here we go. Okay, this is a successful alignment. Okay, if it's unsuccessful, sometimes the piston might end up here and you might not know, you might actually burn a fuse. So you might want to check on that. Okay, this is all that needs to be done. Alright, so once we're done with that, we just screw that in, put at all 4 corners. Okay, like so, and now we go fire again. And this is how you know your blizzard is successfully aligned. That's all.